It's September, which for many students means one thing, back to school. So today I'm here with Daniele Mereu, our new executive chef here at Habitat Café, to talk about a delicious and budget-friendly meal for your busy back-to-school schedule. So Chef Daniele, I wondered what you have for us here today.
It's a very old recipe of a bolognese sauce. From Italy, it's a meat sauce.
So how often will you be offering this
It's a very good question because we are really keen on improving our grab-and-go programs, but also our freezer grab-and-go where students can come and grab meals, dinners or lunches, and why not, or sauces like this one. There's boil in a bag. They can do everything in one pot, for example, or can they reheat in a microwave something like the lasagna or the chicken cacciatore or the meatballs or some vegetarian tofu and grill Asian stir-fried vegetables and so on.
Yeah, you're making me hungry though.
Yeah, you're gonna eat it. So, but why don't we do it? We'll show it to you. We'll do it together.
Okay, great.
And then also you can try it. You'll be the student, and I'll show you how a student will do it. So we have the ball in the bag, which is I'm gonna drop it right now.
Right.
It's easy. It'll go. It'll reheat it by itself. I have this is the cecco pasta from Italy. It's halfway cooked.
Yeah.
We have a boiling salted water that tastes like the oceans. Right. So you basically normally you just put them into the pasta for I will just cook it for another 2 minutes. Meanwhile, the meat sauce is already hot. So your pasta will be ready at this point. The spaghetti works really well, bucatini, whatever you want it. Whatever pasta you have around, we drop it, we saute it, we toss it in a pan. Yeah, give it a try. Yeah, here, use this, please. Yeah.
I wasn't as good as him.
Basically when you toss it, you want to do it a very quick one. Okay. So it goes, but you did pretty good. We'll hire it if you want it. We'll give you a spot, don't worry. And then super easy. Your pasta is ready within minutes. And it's very inexpensive, and you can grab it whenever you want it because the freezer will be basically full of those beautiful, dinner or lunch ideas. It's one of the best things we do here.
It's delicious. Well done. Well, I know this is an Italian dish, and you're an Italian chef, but I know you're also committed to sort of global cuisine.
I'm a really big fan of Indian curries and Central American, Mexican flavors. Should be very lucky here because the international students coming from all around the world, we want to welcome them also with warm or cold, but warm food for their soul.
Well, what an incredible meal. Thank you so much, Chef. And thanks for sharing this recipe with me today and with all of our students.
It was my pleasure, and but there is another things to do. This is an industry where you never stop, you never finish. And so we need to come on the back and time to clean our dishes.